Working here at Longshot is like working on a science fair project with a bunch of friends from grade school. In a good way. A lot of people very excited to try something new, and when it fails, get more excited about figuring out why it failed. It doesn't feel like work. My name is Peter, and I'm a test operations technician, fabricator, and welder at Longshot. I have a pretty varied background, so I've done a lot of different welding, architectural welding, but also product design and product development. Creative problem solving is probably my #1 favorite thing. So doing design reviews, trying to figure out some small feature in a design that might help unlock new possibilities, that's probably my favorite thing. I love learning and getting better at things. In my free time, I spend a lot of time at this place called the Bay Area Maker Farm, which is an urban farm slash makerspace that some friends and I helped start back in 2019. And I do sculpture projects there. Good community space. I recently made some wedding rings for myself and my wife, which involved CAD design, 3D printing, and then bronze casting and gold casting, so that was exciting. I have been interested in space since I was a little kid. I think in high school I read A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking, and since then I've just been hooked on space. I think if we normalize being in space so that it's not for the select few, so there's not a monopoly, it'll be less likely that that privilege gets abused. So it's going to be pretty important.